Hi everyone, this is Fly's product masterclass on how to build a referral program that delivers results. And we have arrived at the final chapter where we're going to talk about referral tracking. So let's start this chapter by talking about Juicy. It's an app that delivers daily subscription-based fruit bowls. So Venki, in one of your articles, you tore down Juicy's referral program, pointed out how they had missed referral tracking, and said that referral tracking has the potential to make or break a referral program. Why did you say that?
And see, I said because I think it was in 2020, right? 2020. So we were right after, COVID lockdown opened up. I think it was in the month of September, August, September, we started going to office in 2020 itself. And there, instead of eating junk in the evening, he decided that I want to, start eating fruits. So it's fruits in the evening. Is there a subscription for it? Now I just looked up online on Google, fruit bowl subscription.
Fruit bowls near me.
Something like that. And Juicy fruit bowl, juicyfruits.com, it popped up, or .in, I don't remember. Now he downloaded the app, he took the subscription, and then he asked me, do you also want to, subscribe? I said, why not? And then he said, use my referral code or link. Yeah. But what happened was he referred me, and somehow, I signed up via his referral link. There was no option to put in the code. I just downloaded via his link and subscribed. However, they said he will get a 1 week free, 1 week or one fruit bowl free. Was it 3 fruit bowls free? 3 fruit bowls free. Yeah, he should have gotten, and I should have also gotten 3 fruit bowls. But it did not, there was no communication on that front. Right. There was no way for me to go and see whether, for Abhinav to go and see if, he got those free bowls, or I have subscribed to his referral link. Right. Nothing was there.
Yeah, basically being clueless.
So it felt like, it was, we were clueless. He was clueless. And he said, it does not matter. Let's just subscribe. It was hardly, I think, 500 rupees or so per week subscription. We have taken that. We forgot about it. But then, somebody overheard, I think Vaishnavi it was, she overheard us talking about the, fruit bowl subscription. Then she said, I'm also subscribing. Yeah. I said, why don't you use my referral link? Then just to, I tried it again. Yeah. And she downloaded. Then again, I did not get any notification or anything. There was no way for me to know that I have gotten those free bowls. Then I, just because, we work in this space. Right. I just, in the support, in their app, inside their app, there is a support section. I wrote down that, I have referred, one of my friends has also referred me. I should have gotten 3 fruit bowls. And I have referred one more person in the company. But your referral program does not seem to work. Right. Now, I got a reply from them saying that you can see your wallet, your referral reward is already added to the wallet. So essentially, they have a wallet system wherein if you subscribe for a week, they don't deduct they put that money in a wallet, virtual wallet. Okay. That wallet, I have only paid them 500 rupees. They've added another, I think, 150 rupees as referral reward. Okay. But there was no bifurcation out there. And there was no understanding, no clear way to divide or, distinguish between the payment that I have done and the referral amount that they have credited. Correct. There was no bifurcation. Only upon me reaching out to these guys, I got to know that they have already added. There was no notification. Even Abhinav had, the referral was successful for, what he has gotten the referral reward. I had gotten the referral reward because I have subscribed through his link. Yes. And when I referred Vaishnavi, so around 6 bowls, that is 1 week worth of bowl, I got for free. But it was not communicated well. Correct. There was no way for me to, see that is there, whomsoever I have referred, I'm not able to see them anywhere.
Yeah.
That's the importance of a referral dashboard.
Yes.
Any good referral program has a referral dashboard present in there because it builds that trust. It also, tells them what stage your referee is at, the person whom you have invited. Why have you not received the reward? You get the opportunity to present all of that critical elements, critical piece for the success. Just imagine if I had not reached out to the support, Abhinav wouldn't have done that, neither Vaishnavi.
Yeah, yeah.
And it would have completely, we would have forgotten about their referral program. But it's like 6 bowls free. I come via referral, I refer somebody, I'm getting another week. Instead of 1 week being with them, I would have been with them for 2 weeks.
Exactly.
And then that builds retention, right? That brings continuity. Once you have been habituated for like 2 weeks, then you add another week by, just pushing them, giving them some coupon. Juicy could have said, okay, 1 more fruit bowl free from our side. In case I did not subscribe further, they could have given that. And that would have been the push for me. And even today we have a fruit bowl subscription active from Juicy. Yeah, just imagine. So referral could have, for them, it was a critical piece, but it would have failed dramatically. Even now they have not done. I don't think many are using their referral program.
Yeah.
Because of that basic thing. Yeah. There was this wallet thing, adding the money referral reward into the wallet. Even if it is getting into the wallet, I must be communicated that, okay, through your referral link, Vaishnavi has joined and she has not yet subscribed. Once she subscribes, you'll get your referral reward credited into the wallet.
And how simple is that? It's
just that simple. With the communication you can do, you don't have to build an interface out there.
Yeah.
Having an interface is the ultimate, it would be an ultimate thing. And when I say referral tracking, there are 2 bits to it. One is the referrer being able to see what the invited person is doing, right, or what stage he is at. Apart from that, the link which is out there, how do I refer? Either it could be via a link or I would give you a code, referral code. Now what I've seen is if you only have a referral link and not the code is not there, then there is no way for me to know, or the referee to know, that this thing is working. Because in Play Store also, let's say if I go to Play Store and search for Juicy Fruits, and then I did not install it, or I might have installed it earlier, but I did not sign up.
Yeah.
And then you refer me. If I join via the link, Play Store does not carry that information, that link. Well, it will always consider me as an organic user, and that is what is communicated in the system. And no link will be present, no code will be present. The link, whatever code was there in the link, will not be propagated into the app.
Yeah.
And hence I would be counted as an organic user, and the link between you and me would be broken. And in Apple iOS, it's very difficult to track because Apple does not want that link-based tracking to be there.
Yes, that's happened.
Yeah, so because of privacy issues. Now, because of all of that, I suggest all my customers, whoever comes into and takes Flyy, or even if they're not taking Flyy, I tell them you need to have both, which is link-based. If link is successfully, converted, if through link your app is able to identify that the user has come via a referral link, you show that, okay, this particular referral code is applied, or you have come via Priya's referral link. Just show that while signing up. Or if not, then just ask them, have a referral code wherein I can input. So give them both the options.
Yeah, yeah.
That way, people will, in case if it was applied, they know, they're very assured that yes, it's functional.
Yeah, yeah.
If it's not applied, then they can input the code. So that way you are mitigating both, the cases wherein this might fail. And I've seen a lot of customers writing on Play Store that, I have referred via this link. And we have faced that problem with app browser.
Yeah.
That, okay, I did not receive the referral reward. And it was only due to because they have already downloaded the application via Play Store earlier without using that link.
Oh, right.
So there must be an option for you to be able to put that referral code. You must nudge the user to input the referral. That is one of the critical piece for the success of a referral program.
Right.
Yeah.
So, Venki, what are the other benefits? Like from everything that you spoke, I could pick out, let's see, it helps build trust among the customers, right? What else are the benefits of, having a referral tracking? Talking about more of technically,
referral tracking, this code and link-based tracking, it's straightforward.
yes.
Apart from that, users also will, let's take the case of Zepto, for example. Zepto has one of the best referral program. I use their referral, it's straightforward, very straightforward. So there was, what I'll tell you about the referral program, how the program works. It's like you invite if I invite you, you will get 25% discount on your first order and I'll get 25% off on my next order. As simple as that.
25 on the...
Yes.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Herein you can see, I'll just show you Zepto's referral program. Yeah. So invite a friend to Zepto and you'll both get 25% off. Share your code.
Yeah.
Now when I share my code, I think you can just show this one on the video.
Yes.
Can we?
We can.
Okay. I just Flyy, share your code, right? So as you can see, they have given the code, which is my referral code in the message. The complete message is out there. And then there is also an option to a link-based download. This is onelink.me, which is, I'm assuming this is from Flyy. This is Flyy.
Okay.
They provide, link tracking services as well as, affiliate marketing. In the case of affiliate marketing, you get to know from which link the user has come in. Flyy attribution. They help you attribute a traffic or a user to a particular source.
Yes.
Yeah, it is very important. So download the app via the link. In case you download the app and that thing is not applied, then you can input your referral code. And then in this same screen, you can see there is a section called Your Referrals. And it gives me a summary of one friend invited, one coupon earned, and then who's that person, Mandar Kamath? He has redeemed. He has done his first order.
It's also showing what that other person has done. Yeah.
And I'll use it. I can use the code on my next order.
Right.
So as I invite more and more people, it will keep growing. And the conversation, it was very simple. Because I was very sure when the coupon was not redeemed by him, it was just showing me it's in process, I think, or pending. That status was, trust is one of the factors. Second is it works.
And I think I'm just thinking this, if you know it's in progress, right? Maybe you can kind of go and nudge Mandar yourself personally.
That is another biggest advantage out there. That while having, it is very simple. In the casual conversation, we can talk about, "Arey yaar, maine tere ko referral code diya tha, tune Zepto se order nahi kiya abhi tak." This can become a promotional, promotion tool for Zepto.
Exactly. You are helping the customer to kind of, promote you.
Promote your product.
You don't have to do it. Yeah.
So that is another advantage. That is one of the biggest advantage out there. People will trust your referral program. And if I love your product, if I use it on a day-to-day basis, then I'm inclined to promote it. Unless, there is a lot of social risk involved. But for an application like Zepto, it's very simple.
Yeah.
You get anything in 10 minutes or 20 minutes. It's like, I don't know, I've always gotten less than 15-20 minutes.
Yeah, sometimes it becomes 20, but that's not.
So that's the biggest advantage. Those are the biggest advantage. One is trust. The second one is, technically it should work. The assurance.
Correct.
And otherwise we would think that, okay, they have not rewarded me I have referred 5 people, they have only rewarded me for 3 or 4 people. That's a that can break your referral program for sure.
Actually. And third is, I think they become your advocates.
Yes.
They start
So
saying.
for anyone to become your advocate, they need to have that, they need to be sure that it works well.
Correct. They need to know what's going on. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, that being discussed, I also wanted to ask you this. What are the components of a referral tracking? I mean, what are the...
Referral tracking is very simple. What stage? So one is, biggest thing is, how, if I have referred you, I need to see you in my referral dashboard.
Yes.
Okay, Priya Singh. What stage you are at? Pending, or what are you doing? It's very easy. It was like first order is not placed yet. Very simple state. Or second, it is pending. Second stage could be order placed. As simple as that. In the case of an investment app, it would be like, I have invited you. You just tell me. If I'm able to see you have signed up, you have completed your KYC, but you have not done your first investment.
As simple as like basic stages, like this.
And then how many people have I referred?
Yeah.
So that, even if if I open and see that, okay, what is the reward, the total reward that or total value that I've gotten through this referral program, that needs to be mentioned there. Okay, you have earned a total of this much worth of rewards, like 2,000 rupees by referring your friends. That is another important parameter which needs to be there. And third is, when am I going to, what stage the person, that I've already said. Yes. And a remind feature, wherein if I tap on your name, as say remind, you'll get a message, a beautifully crafted message from me, or it could just open WhatsApp with a predefined message.
Right.
That I can send you as a small nudge, or I tap on that remind button, it sends you a notification. That is a possibility. We have done it. So it sends you a slight notification. That way, the customer, the brand is not sending you, the product is not sending you the notification, but your friend is nudging you. That has higher chances of conversion than the product sending you the message, right? That is one critical element. Yeah, I mean, those are the primary factors, and obviously your referral code and link being shown there, so that people are able to share directly from that screen. They have higher intent. Okay, this thing works. Now let me just refer more people.
Got it. But then, Venki, I have to ask this from product's perspective. I mean, how should they also have a dashboard for themselves? So this is more for the customer to kind of know. What about the business side of it? Like, is there any component there as well? Should there be a
referral tracking
for them to kind of at the back end see what's going on and all of that?
Yeah, absolutely. They must be able to see who is the top influencer, who's the top advocate out there.
Right.
Being able to, create a segment for them and increase their reward amount. There are, in the referral program also, the 80-20 principle applies out there.
Okay.
20% of your referral participants will get you more than 80% of the referral users. You get me? That is very important. So you must be able to craft a different campaign or create a different campaign for that segment of users. So you must be able to see what's happening. How many people have shared the link, or how many people's link have been clicked, unique clicks are there. Then how many people have installed via the referral link? What is the conversion percentage? Right, CTR. That you track in any way you are tracking in the ads.
Yeah.
What is the CTR, click-through rate of that ad impression? So let's say 1,000 impressions are there in the ad. How many people have actually, downloaded through that app or clicked on that ad? That's click-through rate.
Yeah.
And how many people have installed? That way you are able to identify, okay, what is the cost per install?
Correct.
Yeah. And then what is the number of, how many people have converted? That is out there. And what is your total spend?
It's like you've actually given us a dashboard of, how it can look like.
So that's what Flyy dashboard is.
Right, exactly.
Link clicks, install, registration, and then, install, conversion and amount spent. You get to know, and on a day-to-day basis, what's happening, you are able to see in the graph.
Exactly.
Today, what did we do that, it has gone up? or is it down? Why is it down today? The link clicks probably, or what other things can we do? Is it going down? Then you can think of a campaign to push that, referral participation.
Right. Monitoring and then acting accordingly.
Yeah, and then another metric that the customers have come back to us and said that, okay, can you show that what is the retention metric of the users who have come via referral? And it is always higher, but they wanted to see it in the dashboard. There are other customers who are tracking it themselves, but they wanted it aggregated in our view. So that's what we are working on now. Okay, people who have come via referrals, what is their retention percentage versus people who have come via other channels?
That's actually interesting.
Yeah, if you're able to show it, then it becomes easier for anyone like a product manager or a marketing manager to show the value of our product to their management. Very easy. So, these are the factors, and we constantly work with our customers, understand what they're looking at, and we have built everything. I just, one of the two customers have sent a message while we were deciding to build what else to add in the dashboard. So the message that I got, the reply, both of them replied back, we have everything in the dashboard. We don't need anything else.
Actually.
So we have built because they have asked us, over a period of 2 years, we took the feedback from multiple customers and we aggregated them and saw that, okay, 3 of them or 4 of them, even if 4 of them have requested for the similar feature, more or less, we have implemented that. That has been our guiding, product guiding.
Exactly. And that's how you get a full-fledged dashboard, because over time, we have
we have built it. Now it's just a matter of being able to do that. A/B testing is anyway possible. You can create 2 parallel campaigns, segment the users. But in referral program, A/B testing usually does not work. You just run one program and then, get the result and then find out the segment of the users who are referring and then create a different program for that segment of users.
Right.
That's how it works. A/B testing works in the case of, you can do copy changes. You can do positioning changes. That's where A/B testing works. But in terms of rewards, I've not seen A/B testing fetching any results. It's like if the reward is higher, if you're and one of the biggest problems, if you've launched a referral program, if you're launching it for a cohort of users, we have that option. But if you just want to do that bifurcation, okay, one person should see that, okay, you will get 100 rupees, the other person sees that you will get 200 rupees. What will work better? 200 rupees. That's a given, right?
It's a given, because it's a higher reward.
Higher reward will work. It's as simple. It's in common sense.
Actually.
That what will work. So we are looking at, how can we bring A/B testing in the context of a referral program? Rewards program, yes, it does. It does make sense, what rewards, whether virtual currency will work better for their application, or cash reward, or coupon reward, or what will work better. In the rewards campaign, in the loyalty program, A/B testing, there is a scope for A/B testing.
Correct.
But in the case of referral, we are yet to see, what can be done there.
Right, which we are working on, and that's how we have always, worked on new things. So thank you so much for sharing that, Venkat. It was very interesting, especially the Zepto example, because I had personally not tried their, referral.
I think it's not visible in their application. That's the biggest. No, it's visible.
No, it's visible.
It's visible when you. Okay, it's right now. It's under your profile, but after you place an order, immediately I think there is a card at the bottom. Okay, refer your friend now.
After placing an
order. That's the aha moment, right? The first moment when I have placed an order and it says that, okay, 16 minutes you'll get your order, and the timer starts.
Correct.
That is one thing. So I'm like, okay, in just 16 minutes, that is where it triggers. There's a lot of emotions there, exactly. Emotions in the sense, happy emotion that, okay, whatever I wanted, I'm going to get in less than 16 minutes. and therein they ask you to refer your friend.
Correct. So,
there's a
tapping into
possibility,
the user's
tapping into
emotion
that
at that
user.
time, you know, because
Yes.
that person is already happy that I'm going to get it. So why
Yes.
not as
That
well
state,
refer?
the emotional state is very high, that we have a strong motivation out there to refer this product to somebody else.
Yeah. Similar to Dunzo, I think even Dunzo does that after the
Dunzo
first
does
order
that.
is delivered.
Yes,
they
immediately you
show.
get a notification.
Yeah, right.
So that is a part of, you know, increasing the visibility. We talked about it, and I think in our first video.
Yes, we did. So that brings us to the end of the chapter, and as well as the masterclass on referral program building. So we'll be coming up with the next masterclass as well. So stay tuned. We have a lot to discuss. And thank you so much for joining the first one. And we'll see you soon.
Thank you.